Hello everyone. Today we're going to look at a new way to edit your AI images in Playground AI. Now whether you want to start from scratch or an existing image, the edit feature is available for both. For this demo, I'm remixing an existing image that I've already done using a simple prompt. Disney Princess with the Playtune filter. And I'm simply going to generate the image. Once the image is generated, you'll start the edit process. See in the top left corner the edit option. Alternatively, you can import an existing image that you have on your computer. Let's go ahead and click edit here. And now you'll be brought into a slightly different interface. You'll notice it says edit instruction here. Describe how you want to change the image. For this image, let's say we want to change her hair. We simply have to put make hair wavy. You'll also notice that you have use for negative prompts here. For this example, we don't need to use it. On the right you'll see edit instruction strength. This is the key slider that's going to get you the results you want. I encourage you to start off between 4 to 6. Just to get an idea of the results that you want, quality and details. I'll leave it at 50 and we're simply going to click on generate. And see the results. Now as you see, the hair is wavy, but it's all over the place. And we're even losing some of the background details. But don't worry. If we go to the top of the original image, to the top right here, there is an option to add a mask. Click on that. Just below the image you'll see these mask controls pop up. This icon selects the masking option. We have the eraser right next to it in case you make a mistake. The slider is to increase or decrease the size of the brush. And then we have our undo option here, or trash can. Now to prevent this from happening, yes, we can bring the slider down. But the benefit of the mask is that we can isolate just the hair to make the change. And all we need to do now is click on generate. And see what we come up with. There we go, a lot better. We still have the details in the corner that we lost earlier, and we see the changes in the hair. If you like the results, all you have to do is click on Save Changes and then you'll be brought back to the main interface. Now at this point you could even edit it again. And say wearing a tiara. Mask the hair area again, so that she can wear a tiara. I'm going to click on Generate. And voila, she has a tiara. Not bad. So on the right we have the previous render with the wavy hair and added the tiara afterwards. As I mentioned before, you can also do this to existing images in your user gallery. You'll see beside Remix, there's now an edit option, and that will bring you directly to the image editor. Maybe I want to add fire on the road. Just to give it a little flair, there you go, and that was done without any masking. But I can save this, come back into the editor. Let's say this time I wanted to change the color from white to a dark blue. We can type in make dark blue car. Click on generate and we have our dark blue car. Please take note that your images may vary, so you may need to use more strength or less. This time going to import an image. We'll put the strength at 7.5. And I'm simply going to put change clothes to purple. We're going to hit generate. And you see it changes the clothes to purple and even the wings, however it's affecting the face. So again, this is the benefit of using the mask. I can just isolate the areas I want to change. Click on generate and I get exactly the results that I wanted. I can also add things like jewelry. So let's say make a necklace, then it gives her this necklace. Now it wasn't very specific, so it made just some random necklace. But I could be more specific if I wanted to. So just keep in mind the key here is the edit instruction strength. If you click on the question mark here, it gives you some direction. Adjust edit instruction strength to increase or decrease the impact of your edit instruction. So basically, if I put make house blue and bring this all the way to 20, it's going to deviate a lot from the original image. Now we actually have two blue houses and blue trees. If we put it too low, you start to see a little bit of the blue in the sky. But even in the grass, the strength also increases or decreases in increments of 0.25, so it's very sensitive. And if you want a very specific change, use the mask feature to isolate the area that you want to change. And then increase your instruction strength accordingly. Once you're happy with the results, you can go into your actions and do a few things. You can restore the face if you're working with people. See, now the face is much more clear. We can download this. Bring it back in with image to image. Bring up the strength to, let's say, 95. Click on generate. Then we can go back into actions and upscale it 4 times, so that we can restore the resolution. So have fun with this new feature for now. Goodbye everyone, until the next video.